It's my birthday, so I can do whatever I want. I turned 32. I'm a 32-year-old lady. And I have been blessed to be 176 centimeters tall. That is, however, not tall enough to reach up to the highest points of our storage in this apartment. So I need height. Therefore, I bought the Bekväm. Hang on. Like this. This is a step stool from IKEA. I'm a Swede, half Swede, so of course I have IKEA furniture in my flat. However, the IKEA Bekväm is incredibly dull. It's boring, it's plain, and I don't want plain stuff in my apartment. I want lemons. So I'm going to spend a part of my birthday painting lemons on this stool. Okay? Great. Are these too many lemons? Should I just stick to 1 lemon per? Yes. I think these are too many lemons. I think I'll just stick to 1 lemon per piece. Great. I do apologise for my absolutely banged up arms. I went to practice on Sunday and got just absolutely beaten up. Oh, that was too much paint. Time completely ran away from me. I have to meet my partner because we're going to dinner, and I don't want to stop painting because this was amazing. So I will continue probably tonight or tomorrow. So this is what we have so far. I really like that lemon. Not really happy with that just yet, like those leaves. Tiny little lemon. Like that one too. I like the green. And also quite happy with these two. And I'm going to be adding some more leaves and some blossoms. It's now a full 2 weeks later. I had too much fun on my birthday and then I just got on with it. So my stepping stool, my lemon stool, is finished. I am so happy with it. It looks great. It's not at all boring. It's just what I need. It's very functional, as all IKEA furniture pieces are, but this has that little touch of whimsy that I definitely want. So one snafu that a keen viewer might have noticed is that I didn't think about the leg pieces being the same way up. That means that instead of me painting on the outside of the stool, I painted one side on the outside and the other one on the inside. And since they are sort of tilted, I can't flip them. So the little cat that I was so proud of and so happy about is unfortunately on the inside of this stool. See, this side is empty, this side is decorated, and if you look on the underside of the stool, there we have the little cat. But excellent use of free will. But this was a very different sort of topic for me. I usually stick very strictly to knitting. And if you like this video, please do let me know by commenting or just leaving a like or subscribing to the channel. I wonder if this is something that I will do more of or if it's a one-off thing. And if you found this sort of painting, building, home decorating, finding whimsy in the everyday video was entertaining, please let me know. I would love to make more videos like this. I would love to dedicate more of my time to this sort of project because it's just great, isn't it? Getting to paint stuff. And I have so many things that I would like to enhance or make beautiful or make interesting. I have some art ideas that I would like to get up on the walls. So let me know if that's something that's interesting. And if you don't find it interesting, don't worry. My next video, and probably most of them, are going to be knitting related, as they always are. This is, after all, the yarn chicken and not the painted chicken. Take care of yourself. Bye. Now that I'm 32, I wonder if I should go to a basketball game tomorrow.